Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this makeup video. So today I'm doing a cool toned makeup look and this is the makeup look that I'm currently wearing. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Before we start off doing the actual makeup look, I just want to say that it's so hot here today. So the window is opened and I can't close it because then it will be too hot for me in here, even though I'm wearing very thin clothes. It's just what it is. I live on the countryside, so there shouldn't be a lot of noise. You might hear some sheep talking in the background and the occasional car driving by, but it's not harvest season, so I think we should be good. Today I wanted to do a cool toned makeup, and that is great for people that have a cool undertone to do this makeup looks. When you have a cool undertone, silver is usually what goes best with you, but that also means that if you don't know if a color is cool or not, just put it next to silver or gold and then see which one enhances the color the best or washes the silver or gold out the most. Just see what looks like the best. I want to create something that is eyeshadow wise. It's very simple. It's nothing too extravagant. So I want to start off with the outer eyeshadow. So I'm using light colors today and I'm going in with the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and it looks like this. Very light green right here. And I want that in the outer corner of my eye and bringing it down to my lower lash as well. But the outer part, I don't want it all the way in. So for this, I think I would do a combination of my finger, a fluffy brush, and a flat brush. I like having a combination when I do this. Now that that is on, I did put on more than maybe you would need just so that I would be sure it shows up on camera. But the next color I will put on is the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and I will be using Fractal, which is the silver right here. And with this, I think I just want to go in with my finger and do it that way. And for this, I just want to put it here on the lid, maybe bring it up a little bit to the crease, and then just meet the green basically. now I want to go ahead and put on some eyeliner, and I'm just putting eyeliner on the outer corners of my eye. I'm not doing all over. And I'm using the Dipliner ink that looks like this. But if you want a tutorial on eyeliner, I can pop up here, I think, if I remember, a tutorial, because I have it on my channel. And if I remember, I will put it up there. Then what I want to do is go in with my mascara, and I am taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this. But before I put that on, and I will put that on my upper lashes only, I will be curling my lashes. The next thing I will put on is some highlighter. I'm using a cool toned highlighter for this to match the aesthetics. And so I'm going in with the Nyx Strobe of Genius, and I will be using purple, which is this one right here. And I will be using a combination of these three brushes, okay? Just set it with a setting spray. So I'm using the base fix from Makeup Revolution that looks like this. This is the finished look. This is what it looks like. I think this is absolutely perfect for a daytime look. And if you want to elevate this a little bit more for the evening, I suggest putting on half lashes or full lashes if that's what you're more comfortable with, to kind of give this look a little bit extra oomph for the evening. But this works for the evening as well. Works all day, every day, whenever you want to, whenever you feel like. But this is what you can do with cool tone makeup. You can actually combine the colors and make it look beautiful and not so in your face. If you want something that is more subtle, obviously go for darker colors if that's what you want and if that's what suits you. So that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and let me know what season you are when it comes to colors and makeup. Just let me know if you feel like sharing that. I would love to know so that I can cater maybe better to you. If you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!